What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today, guys, I'm gonna be unboxing, reviewing, and showing you the on-foot of the Nike Airmax ZM-950. All right, created in an image of the Airmax 95 in order to pay homage and celebrate its 25th anniversary. Okay, now before I unbox these shoes and I show you what it looks like, okay, let's talk about the PS5 for a second. Right, the PS5 has already been released this December, and guess what? I don't have it yet. You know why I don't have it? Because consumers out there that's buying about 40 to 50 PS5s and selling them double the price. I can't get my hands on them. And I'm sure a lot of parents right now that wants to give their kids PS5 for Christmas can't get their hands on it. Households all over the world can't get their hands on the PS5 because people are so greedy buying 50 PS5s and going to StockX and selling them. By the way, if you want the PS5 so badly and you want to pay double the price, you go to StockX. They'll definitely sell it to you. You know what I'm saying? If you want it that badly, go to StockX and they'll sell it to you for double the price of what the regular price is. It's unbelievable. Sony, I'm sure this was not something they made a mistake on. They knew they were going to do this. They were going to release this console in December, and they know there was going to be a lot of demand to get the PS5. People are going to want this PS5 at Christmas time because you know Christmas, everybody want to get a Christmas gift. But I bet you a year from now, they will be available at every store at like $400. You understand what I'm saying? So at this time, if you can't get the PS5, tough luck, all right? Tough luck, because guess what? Everybody else can get it. Not everybody has a PS5 right now. All over the world, they are hard to get. They're like drugs, all right? They're selling like hotcakes, but you can't even find them. You know what I'm saying? Somebody will kill you for a PS5 right now. I guarantee it. For me, I have an Xbox, and the reason why I have an Xbox is because I ain't got no choice. I can't get my hands on a PS5. You know what I'm saying? I can download an app on it that offers a lifetime of movies, all right, that I used to watch when I was younger, series and things like that when I was younger. You know, I only pay $5.99 for an app, and I get a lifetime of movies, all right? Shows I used to watch when I was younger. I'm talking about The Martin, talking about Jimmy Fox Show, talking about Married with Children, Al Bundy. You know what I'm saying? These are the shows I used to watch when Bill Cosby. I used to watch these shows when I was younger. So they have every episode on apps on the Xbox. But if you ask me, when it comes to games and graphics, the Xbox does not beat the PS5, right? Let's forget about it, all right? The PS5 is 8K ready. The new Xbox also is 8K ready. But if you ask me, like I said, I prefer that PS5. I want to get my hands on it, but because these consumers who want to buy 40 and 50 PS5s and sell them to double the price, you know, it leaves us no choice. It leaves somebody like you and I no choice to get a PS5. You know, some of these kids out there ain't gonna get no PS5 for Christmas. A lot of folks are disappointed because they can't get their hands on it. So it sucks, but listen, if you want the PS5 so bad, like I said, go to StockX.com. You can get it, but you get it for double the price of what you're supposed to buy it for. You understand what I'm saying? After Christmas, there's still gonna be a lot of demand for that PS5. All right, people are still gonna be wanting that PS5 because not a lot of people are gonna get it for Christmas. So everybody's still gonna be going to the store buying 3-4 of them at the same time. But if you wait a year from now, the price is gonna go down. You understand what I'm saying? And you know they always make a portable edition. You know what I mean? Like a smaller version of the PS4 or PS5. So when they come out with the smaller version, it's gonna be even half the price. I'm willing to wait on that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not in a rush. But the fact that not everybody have it, I'm cool with that. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully, if you're a parent out there and you're looking for a PS5, good luck to you. I hope you find one. But like I said, if most people that don't have it, probability that you're probably not gonna have it either. You know what I'm saying? But if you do get it, make sure you don't pay too much for it, right? Because next year is gonna be around the corner, and the prices might go down. You know what I mean? And you never know, right? Let's talk about these Airmax ZM-950s, these trampolines on feet, right? Let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. Alright guys, so basically these shoes right here, basically like I said guys, is paying homage to the Airmax 95, alright? And it's 25th anniversary, alright? Even when you take a look at the shoe itself, it kind of looks like the Airmax 95, alright? In addition to that, they've placed the Airmax 270 bubbles underneath, alright? And under this right here, it's got two AirPods over here, right? Just basically new technology to make the feet feel as comfortable as possible, alright? The upper part of these Airmax ZM-950 has been designed, if you can take a look at that, alright, with a breathable mesh, which gives you flexibility and comfort, alright? These right here, I got these on Nike.com for 200 bucks. I mean, to me, they look like trampoline on feet, you know what I'm saying? It looks like, they mad comfortable, actually, you know what I'm saying? So, Nike has been putting together different shoes, and like I said before, they have these 720 bubbles, the 270 bubbles, all right? And they've been combining every shoe together with different bubbles. These bubbles are new technology they're starting to create now. If you watch my previous videos, I mentioned to you guys that the Jordan Mars 270s, I reviewed that a lot. Those got the 270 bubbles in it, very comfortable. However, I question the quality of the bubble. So over here, they got these two AirPods over here. All right, this is the first time I've ever seen anything like this. And it says Air, Zoom Air at the bottom, okay? See, technology created to make you feel as comfortable as possible. They are very chunky, all right? I don't know if I like chunky sneakers, but I wear these. I definitely wear these. It's just made to feel comfortable, man. If you want to feel comfortable, you want to feel like you have trampolines on your feet, you know, I say buy these. All right, these are for 200 bucks. If you ever seen the Balenciaga shoes, they're kind of chunky. It looks like something like this. If you can wear those, you definitely can wear these. All right, and the Balenciagas, you're just paying for the name. You know what I mean? Like, those are like maybe 500, 600 bucks. But these right here are only like 200. So, what do you guys think of this? You know what I'm saying? The Airmax ZM-950. What do you think of it? Is it fire? You know what I mean? To the Airmax 95. If every one of you guys ever had an Airmax 95, you already know it's designed like something like this, but only with the 270 bubbles and the AirPods, two AirPods at the bottom. To me, this is definitely a good combination. I would love to see how this feels like. I can't wait to put this on feet. I'm gonna show you guys the on feet right after this. All right. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I'm not going to the end of my video. If you're new with this channel, click that subscribe button. If you're not, well, what are you waiting for? Click that like button. Click that share button. Thank you again, everybody, for watching my video. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Airmax ZM-950. Holler at you later. One easy.